Hi, hello, namaste. This is Gagan. Welcome back to my channel for Givukudu. In this session, we are going to explain about normal versus shortcut method. This is in algebra 9 into x plus y is equals to 45 is given. Now, in our normal procedure, we need to multiply with 9 into x, 9x plus 9 into 3, 27, which is equals to 45. Now, what we done here means 9 multiply with the x plus 3 into 9. Now we got this. Now 9x is equals to, now transpose 27 to RHS, which is equals to 45 minus 27. We need to do subtraction. 9x is equals to 45 minus 27 is 18. Now x is equals to, now transpose 9 into RHS means multiplication, transpose means division, 9 on the 9 to the. Now x is equals to 2. This is our answer. This is the variable here. Now what is the shortcut means? We know already. See here, same problem, 9 into x plus y is equals to 45. But now how to do shortcut? Very easiest way means, see here, this is the multiplication of 9 5 is 45. 9 into 5 how much? 9 into 5 45. So already here 9 into something is equal to 45 now. 9, what want to put here? 9 5 is 9 5 is 45. Already here 3 is there. Already 3 is there. Now what want to put? 5 minus 3? 5 minus 3? 2. This is our answer. Therefore x is equals to how much? See once again, see 9 5 is 45. We know already. Already one value is given 3. Now 5 minus 3 how much? 2. This is our answer. This is the shortest way to find out like this problems. Okay, if you like the video.